When it comes to worthy and successful politician in Nigeria, it is impossible to ignore Senator Dino Melaye. It is estimated to have a net worth of $845 million, currently one of the richest and influential politicians in Nigeria. He is known for living a luxurious lifestyle on media, which keep many talking about him. He has one of the most expensive houses in Nigeria. The mansion is located in Abuja, the capital of Nigeria. It's worth over 2.1 billion naira. Today, we are going to take a journey as we explore the beautiful mansion in Abuja. The mansion interior is mind-blowing, and I'm very sure you want to see it. But before we get started, grab your popcorn and your drinks. But don't forget to click on the subscribe button. First, let's take a look at what you see when you arrive on the property. The luxurious garage filled with supercars like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce and few other classic luxury cars will be the first thing to catch your attention. If you think that is fancy, there is way more to come. The luxurious living room is about 20 feet in height, decorated with expensive furniture with chandelier hanging in the middle. The view alone from the living room is breathtaking, with the staircase in the middle, decorated with handmade carpet. The massive kitchen with white cabinets, marble floor and marble countertop, which give direct entry to the beautiful dining room with 14 chairs and dining table at the center, decorated with handmade crystal. The mansion also features laundry room, media room and a large pantry. There is even a large private movie theater, complete with comfy chairs. There is a private lounge on the first floor, decorated with Fendi curtains and handle. There is also a luxurious elevator to move from one floor to another. There are 4 rooms on the first floor. Also, there is a swimming pool on the first floor, one of the most luxurious swimming pools I've ever encountered. There is a flat TV hanging in front of the pool and bar by the side, filled with expensive drinks. There is also a bathroom in the basement, library and office decorated with its awards and paints. Wait to get a look at the luxurious bedroom. It is very spacious. That is not all. It has a big luxurious bed at the middle, and also there is a walk-in closet filled with expensive shoes. And also there is a huge luxurious bathroom with a large tub to relax and entertain. So what do you think about Senator Dino Melaye's luxurious lifestyle? Let us know in the comment below. I'm very sure you want to see the mansion I will upload next. So subscribe to my channel. There is a lot of amazing buildings coming. See you in my next video. Adios.